Tabletop games have brought people together for over 50 years, but with improvements to the games, there's one part that has remained the same, an unchanged process. Dice. Dice are a fundamental part of most tabletop role-playing games such as Dungeons & Dragons. Yes, dice in themselves have evolved with newer designs, but methods of counting them hasn't. For players in dungeon marches, calculating the total of dice usually makes them bring out a calculator and adding the rolled dice and whatever other modification or debuff. Dice are used to determine the following: attack value, initiative, and attributes for players. However, there are multiple different dice that range from 4 minimum value to 20 max value.
Adding up the dice individually and possible buffs takes time and decreases the immersion. The more dice involved, the longer the calculation takes. So we asked ourselves a simple question: what if there was a way to automatically count the dice? We found a way to combat this by developing a Dungeons & Dragons calculator that automatically calculates the rolled dice total using the YOLO 26 object detection model.
To make this possible, we trained the model using thousands of labeled dice images containing different dice type, value, color, orientation, and lighting conditions. Once trained, the model was integrated into a web application designed specifically for tabletop players. A web app makes it easy to access for everyone. The application includes multiple game modes, camera integration, modifier support, live result, and rule history tracking. Everything was designed around one goal: reducing the tedious process of manual dice calculation while improving the overall gaming experience for players. Now, let's see the system in action. Here we open the D&D dice calculator, select the game mode we want to play, in this case Dungeons & Dragons, and select a camera source. Once the camera feeds down, the dice are rolled, and click the capture button in the center.
The AI instantly detects each individual die and identifies the value shown on its upper face. The detected values are then automatically added together. Within seconds, the final result is displayed directly through the user interface on the wizard orb.
We also have flat modifier, which is able to do sums such as multiplication and division. The web app is also colorblind friendly. What previously required manual counting can now be completed automatically in real time. This allows players and dungeon masters to focus on storytelling, strategy, gameplay, rather than calculations, fully allowing players to be immersed. By combining object detection and practical web application and a physical dice rolling structure, we have created a system capable of accurately detecting and calculating dice values in real time. Thank you for watching.